and going out for a date with a girl. So these are very sweet memories we always cherish. I'm sure that I have them, everybody over there have them. But the real fact is, fascinated by these beautiful memories, we actually forgot the actual reason why we are here. We are full of love, we have so many outstanding days over here, but are we doing what we are supposed to, being an engineer? When I was in college, I was one of those notorious students, always spotted on the last bench, and I always enjoyed every bit of it. And when I passed out, I actually realized that, this is not what I'm supposed to be. I passed out with 4 offer letters in my hand, and that time I realized that despite of having these 4, I actually stand nowhere. That was the time I realized the importance of knowledge, the importance of education. I didn't give up. I gave it a new start, and I started learning Java. I started learning it along with that. Thank you. So I always say that you always need a balance in your life. You should always know that what is important for you. Every time has its own importance. So I would just like to end my speech by the famous saying that life spent doing nothing doesn't worth anything. And doesn't matter whether you face some failures in life, but it is more honorable than if you don't do anything in life. Thank you so much.
Well, यहाँ सीनियर्स भी हैं, जूनियर्स भी हैं और हम भी हैं. बट बेली डांसिंग से कोई याद आता है तो वो है मिस वर्षा वर्मा. राइट?
Indeed, Miss Varsha Verma. She is presently working in Janhit Foundation, an NGO working for the welfare of people as a web editor and a social activist in Childlike run by the same foundation. I request you, ma'am, once again to dazzle the stage of VKP with your emblematic performance.
जग पत्थर राजा पिघलेगा तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी तद मैं कमली
भुला दो भुला दो।
Come on, no one is here to listen you. We all are here to listen happy.
हैप्पी के लिए लड़कों से भी सीटियां।
जो दिल को जलाती रही, वो यादें तुम्हारी, वो बातें तुम्हारी जो हमको सताती रही। भुला दो वो बातें पुरानी जो दिल को जलाती रही। वो यादें तुम्हारी, वो बातें तुम्हारी जो हमको सताती रही। ओ, वो कैसी सुबह थी, खुशियों का था सफर, सब यार संग थे, कोई थी ना फिकर। दुख आया सुख खोया, गम बन गया हम सफर।
आपके पास 3 पड़ी हुई है, ये चौथी लगी।
अपने क्या पराए क्या, सब रंग है एक से, अच्छे सब धागे हैं, ये बंद है रेत के। मंजिल ना हर साथी है, चलता हूँ मैं बेखबर। ओ, भुला दो वो बातें पुरानी जो दिल को जलाती रही। वो यादें तुम्हारी, वो बातें तुम्हारी जो हमको सताती रही। भुला दो वो बातें पुरानी जो दिल को सताती रही। वो यादें, वो बातें जो हमको सताती रही।
But simply mesmerized to see your performance. I would like to say, meeting is a pleasure, parting is a pain, but we part to meet again. You are an asset to Vidya and you will remain treasure to Vidya forever. Thank you. All the best. Good luck to you. Thank you very much.
स्पीड डाउन करो जी इसकी।
Thank you, ma'am. Well, we have with us Miss Meena Shukla, a pass out of Vidya Institute of Fashion Technology, 2009 to 13 batch. She chose design as a career because of her inclination towards creating things and drawing.
Currently, she is working as a faculty in JD Institute of Fashion Technology, which is one of the finest fashion institutes in the state. I request you, ma'am, to kindly come up on the stage for sharing your wonderful experiences with us.
Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
A very good evening to all of you. Actually, today I have been called to share my experience. But I'm really very sorry. I won't share my experience, but yes, I'm here to make my confession to my Kumar sir and all the faculties, and especially to Colonel sir. Actually, when I was a student of Vidya Institute of Fashion Technology, at several moments I regretted that why I am in this institute, why I am studying in this institute where we are not allowed to do what we want. And if we are bounded for so many things, then how we are going to make fashion? And actually, I was wrong. And it has been proved when I passed out this institute and I have joined JD Institute of Fashion Technology, and I'm working with faculties who have studied from NIFT, who have studied from Amity, who have studied from JD also. And I'm really very proud to say that, sir, they all have honored me as a faculty over there, and they are proud to be that I am there, and they actually want to meet Kumar sir, as I have said so many things about him to him. The director over there is Mr. Sandeep Gola. He actually want to meet you and say thank you that you have made me what I am. And because I have joined JD, JD has improved at several levels, because we guys have organized there an exhibition, and so all what I have learned from Vidya Institute of Fashion Technology only. And I'm also very thankful to Manoj sir. Sir, you was the only faculty when you came to JD, when you came to Vidya. You was the first one who said, मीना तू जॉब नहीं करेगी यार, तू एक काम कर, अपना खुद का कुछ खोल, उसमें बहुत बेटर है, लखनऊ में बहुत अच्छा होगा and all. Thank you so much sir, because of you, I and Ankita, I hope you all remember, we both have started a brand with the name Kalashri, and we are really proud to say that we are opening our own store in Lucknow, in Hazratganj, maybe in April or May. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Because of only you people, I'm here today. And what I am is all because of Vidya Institute of Fashion Technology. Thank you.
Just tell you, this campus misses you even more.
Moving on to the next performance, I would like to invite Mizna Khan of BFAD to add a dancing tadka to the program.
Well, we have seen a Kamlimatic performance, again a Kamlimatic performance. Would you...
जद पत्थर राजा पिघलेगा, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी।